Okay, the new motor's in. I hope you can hear me. This thing is not vibrating one little bit. It is like I've never been this smooth ever. Now remember, my transmission used to make tons of noise from down below. Zero whirring, grinding marble noise coming from my transmission. It's 100% quiet. Wow. I did the cam break-in and all that stuff last night. That crap's complicated. With all the oils and whatever. I just did what they said to do and hopefully I'm done with it. I hear zero noise. I had push rod issues. My push rods, factory push rods, had 135 thousandths preload on the plunger and the lifter, and I thought that was excessive because it was they were almost bottomed out, and all the parts were factory milling parts, and so I had to order shorter push rods. So I did that, and I think we're ready to go for a ride. So let me get in, let me get everything situated, and let's see if the dang thing will even shift. So I put the luck clutch in, and my pedal is half the pressure, which is almost concerning to me. I mean, it's like really easy. And you know, these are sealed system, there's nothing to bleed, so that's kind of nice. Okay, so I haven't even moved this thing. I got the engine in last night, so right into first, into second, into third, fourth, fifth, sixth, in reverse. Now what's interesting is I'm in first, but look at all this play in the shifter. I don't remember having that. Now I'm in third. Wow. Alright, so I don't know how I'm going to do this in drive. Oh, we're going forward. Oh my God. We're moving. Okay, we're moving. We're in first. Oh, I just shifted a second. Zero grind. And it would grind before, especially when it was cold. It would grind 5 or 6 teeth and then go in. When it warmed up, it would be a little less. Holy crap, that's way too easy. Back to second. Remember, I'm still breaking in my engine, so I'm not going to be going, I think, for, I don't know, not over 3,500 RPM for a little bit. Wow, right into third. That's freaking butter. No shit. Back all the way to second. Fourth to second was good. Third, flawless. Fourth, flawless. Now we're just putting in fourth. Back to third. Flawless. Not a piece of noise. Back to second. Oh, I got somebody behind me. Okay, back to third. All right, I'm gonna put around for a few minutes. So far it feels great. My issues were first, second, third grinding and noise and idle, and I don't have any of those three. So let me drive around and I will check back in a minute. All right, fellas, I'm gonna try to stop here in the road and do a full shift run through. This is kind of hard with one hand. Okay, I'm stopped in the first. Okay, let me stop all the way. Oh, I got a car coming. Zero grinding. They're perfect. Here's fifth. Sixth. Perfect. Tranny doesn't make any noise. Every gear goes in perfect. I'm not revving past 3,000 because I'm only got 25 miles on the new engine. I've been driving around, kind of breaking in the tranny and the engine at the same time. Let me go back to fifth, fourth, third, second, and first. Holy mackerel. I don't know what else to say. I am pretty happy about it. All right. Let me know if you have any questions.